We begin by creating 2 points to create a parametric model, and then we create markers on those 2 points. We will use these markers to define the beginning and ending of the beam. Now we start the Create FE wizard. Select the define using 2 points, and we select those 2 markers that we have created. Next form, where we now define the beam section. In the beam section we have various options, and we select the I-beam and provide dimensions. You define the same section for the other point and preview the dimensions that you've provided. Now we can look at the model in more detail with a preview of the beam section. You can also change the orientation of the beam by defining the angle at the various nodes. To show that this beam is now flexible, we will add a solid part to the end that has a significant weight under gravity. But first, let's create a fixed connection between the beam and ground. And now we will create a solid sphere at the other end's location, and then choose a fixed connection between the beam and this new solid body. Now the part is ready for analysis. So let's run a quick simulation and see how the structure behaves. And there you have it, a flexible beam defined between 2 points.